What's up, everybody? Mr. Da Vinci here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find hundreds of SEO keywords for free for your Shopify dropshipping product. If this is something that interests you, make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel so you get notified. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when I release new videos. So here I am on the website, dropshiphunter.com. It'll be the first link in the description, also pinned below in the comment section, but don't leave just yet. Stay all the way to the end. Bear with me here. And the product that I have is baby hip waist carrier. It's been very big in 2019. A lot of people have been successful with this, so you could say it's saturated. I don't believe in saturation. I believe there's opportunity for everyone. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a free website, and I'm going to show you how you can get SEO keywords for your keyword research for your Shopify product for free. So we're just going to copy this right here, and we're going to go to this website. Give me a second here. Got so many to choose from. I want to show you this one right here. It's called Keywordsheeter. Most people call it keyword. It's Keywordsheeter. Keywords, SHEETER.com. It says in the keywords here, one keyword per line. With this Control V. Right. Yep, you can see that. And then we're going to shit keywords right there. We're just going to shit them out. It takes a few seconds to get going. As you say, you can hit the stop shitting button at any time you want. But we're going to let this filter itself out, load up all the keywords that we want to research, and see what our customers are typing in. Right. Still loading up here. And you can choose. I didn't show y'all this. I should show y'all that. I'm going to show you this while it's loading up. So down here you can see the main search keywords that comes with this product. As you can see, this is the main keyword. Then we have reviews, AliExpress, best baby hip waist carrier. If you find any keyword that has the word best, that is a buyer interest keyword. That means they're looking to buy, but they want the best version of the product that you're selling. So we continue to scroll down. It's going to load up more products here. But what I wanted to show you is right here where it says report. You want to click on this, and it says Google front page report, or you can go to masscheck.com availability. I haven't tested that out. I only use Google front page report. Then you see it has the .com right there. Don't worry about purchasing nothing. This is, again, a free tool. You can register and you will get more benefits and access to different variations of this tool. But as you see, I'm not logged in. Neither do I have an account. So I'm going to stop the video here because you don't want to sit here and watch the rest of these keywords load up. So this is the training for today. Leave me any questions, comments that you have about keyword research for your Shopify dropshipping store. Check out all the other trainings that's popping up on the screen. Check out the e-commerce playlist that I have for you. Click my face on the screen. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And this has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. I will see you in the next video.